Do you want to learn about colorful fonts and find out how you can use them and where to get them for free? Then keep on watching. First, you need to know what are colorful fonts. They're basically fonts that are multicolored with designs. So as you type, the text is already pre-styled for you, so there's no need to add any additional styling. So let's see how we can get some for free. I'm an affiliate with Creative Fabrica, and I've included a link in the description that gives you access to a free trial. With that trial, you can download up to 10 fonts or designs for free. However, I personally use the annual subscription, which gives me access to all of their fonts and designs for commercial use. Once you sign up for the free trial, or if you already have a subscription, let's head over to creativefabrica.com to find some colorful fonts to test out. Once you're on Creative Fabrica, go to their menu and select Fonts. Then click on Color Fonts. They have an entire catalog of over 1,200 chromatic, colorful fonts that you can use in your designs. They have so many different styles. They have gamer styles. They have graffiti gradients. They have hand-drawn patterns. The possibilities are endless. You can search for color fonts based off of the holiday, like Christmas or 4th of July. You could do it based off of their occupation, like they have nurse fonts or teacher fonts. And you can also search for something like fruit or animal styles. And if you notice the green check marks next to everything, with the free trial, you can download up to 10 for free. But if you have the subscription like me, you can have access to everything. Okay, now let's download and install some colorful fonts. The first one I'm going to download is called Alpha Pops Pastel. As you can see, it's pastel colored popsicle sticks. If you notice, there is a green download button, and that's because, remember, if you have the free trial, you can download 10 for free. If you don't have the free trial, but you have the subscription, remember you have access to all of them, so there's no checkout process that you have to worry about. All right, and the last font that we're going to test out today is going to be called Sideways. This is a graffiti style font that has a gradient color. It has little highlights. It has strokes. It has everything that you need. So we're going to make sure that we download this so we can test it out. Now we need to install the files, but first we have to unzip the folder. So right-click the folder, select Extract All, choose your location, and click Extract. With the Mac, all you have to do is double-click to unzip it. You'll do the same thing for any other fonts you've downloaded. Now we're going to open up the folder that we just unzipped, and we're going to install it. Now with Sideways, it comes with two different versions. You have the Sideways version, which is regular, and then you have Sideways Color. We want to install the Color OTF version. When it comes to installing fonts, which one do you open? Is it OTF or TTF? Install OTF. I remember it like open this first. So we're installing the Sideways Color. And then again, we'll do the next file the same way. Right click and select install. Let's test out the colorful fonts and talk about what programs they're compatible with. I'm using Photoshop right now so we can test out the Alpha Pops Pastel and Sideways fonts. As you can see, as I type these fonts, they're already pre-styled. So this is definitely going to save you some time having to add effects to your text or placing individual letters one by one. But it's important to know that colorful fonts only work with the select few programs. They work in Adobe products such as Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign. They work in Inkscape, which is a free program. And I believe they're compatible with Affinity as well. I also tested it in Silhouette Studio, and it is compatible with Silhouette Studio. It works as a print and cut, so it's not going to layer the colors, but instead it views it or sees it as an image. So it will definitely work as a print and cut in Silhouette Studio. Unfortunately, there are popular programs that colorful fonts simply do not work with. They're not compatible. So my Cricut users, I'm sorry, colorful fonts do not work in Cricut Design Space. It does not work in Canva or Cordial or any other web-based program. Instead, it simply comes out as silhouettes and only has black color. You don't see the colorful effects and gradients. Hopefully you learned something new about colorful fonts. This is something that I made using the Sideways font. But if you've used them before, let me know in the comments what's your favorite. And if you haven't and you learned something new, be sure to like and follow for more. Later, y'all.